Integrating Leadfeeder with your CRM creates a perfect lead management process. In this video, we will focus on what a native integration looks like, the benefits of integrating your CRM, and how to get started. In order to integrate your CRM, you'll first need to make sure you have admin privileges for your CRM account and for your Leadfeeder account. Once you get that squared away, the rest of the process will be smooth and typically takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete. To get started, navigate to your settings, click on the Websites tab, and then go to Overview under Integrations on the left-hand menu. From there, click on the CRM of your choice, and you'll be prompted with a set of clear instructions. Depending on the CRM you choose, you'll either first need to install a package, app, or solution first, or simply copy and paste an API key. Whatever the case, we provide you with step-by-step instructions. Once your CRM integration is complete, the data is synced to show which companies have open deals and activities associated with them, and which could be a net new prospect. You can toggle between preset custom feeds to see the different segments of your CRM data or create your own. The first preset feed is called Connected to CRM, shows you all the companies identified as visiting your website and who are also in your CRM. The second feed, Found in CRM, brings up all companies that we've identified in your CRM, but may or may not be synced yet. The companies that aren't synced have the grayed out CRM logo with a question mark. The third feed, My Open Deals, pulls all the companies you have existing open deals with. For example, if we expand the details for this company and scroll down, you can see the deals and activities for this company. And lastly, the Suggested CRM Matches feed identifies all the companies where there are multiple possible matches in your CRM. This means we couldn't automatically sync the data. For these companies, you'll just need to confirm which is the correct account. As a bonus, this particular custom feed also serves as a great reminder for your team to clean up any duplicate data you may have in your CRM. For more ways to segment your CRM-related data, you can create a new custom feed and choose between these 8 filter options, including Organization Owner and Deal Stage. Also, you can utilize Leadfeeder's automation feature to fill your pipeline with more qualified quality leads. This is how it works. First, you define your preferred qualification criteria. For example, let's say you're interested in companies from a specific country and visited key pages on your website. In this example, let's use any pages on your site related to pricing. Remember, you only want new leads, so you need to exclude the ones already existing in your CRM. Finally, you set up the action you want to trigger in your CRM. Let's say you want a new deal on the first stage of your prospecting pipeline and an activity automatically set for you in 2 days. This is achieved by using the Configure button after selecting to set up your automation. Voila! You will now also see the lead's website behavior in Pipedrive so you can keep all essential info in one package. And lastly, let's take a look under the hood. For demonstration purposes, we'll show you what it looks like in Pipedrive. For example, let's connect this company. After a few seconds, you'll also have the ability to create activities or deals. Let's remind ourselves to call them tomorrow. Now, if you click on the company name, it'll open up your CRM. And there it is. You can see the activity we just created and all the visit details below. If you don't use one of the CRMs that we offer a native integration for, we recommend you check out our Zapier integrations or API documentation. Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to our support or browse the many helpful articles and videos in our Help Center.